Nerd, try hard, goody two-shoes, overachiever, just some of the names that have become all too familiar to me, but that's expected when you thrust yourself into school activities. Although you may think I've taken offense to these name callings, I actually feel honored. It's a compliment if I'm called an overachiever, because you can bet that I put my all, and then a little extra, into everything that I do. I'm very proud of that, especially because it shows just how much student activities have influenced my life. Being involved in extracurriculars is one of the best decisions that students can make for their future. But sadly, school districts and departments of education are overlooking that. With unfortunate budget cuts, extracurriculars are always the first to go. But why? When school administrators and state officials deprive students of those opportunities, they're making a poor ethical decision, given that it could endanger their students' future success. Involvement in extracurriculars is vital to students reaching their full potential. So when people think otherwise, coming to my defense is the four-way test, which always confirms the value of student activities. First, is it the truth? Is it true that extracurriculars help students reach their full potential? Absolutely. To verify the importance of student activities, a nonprofit organization was formed in 2007 called the Alliance for Student Activities. This group conducts extensive research and has proven that extracurriculars not only increase a student's academic performance, but also allow them to succeed in college and beyond. They have proven that when a student becomes involved in a club or a sport, the possibility of that student dropping out is completely eliminated. It's also confirmed that extracurriculars develop valuable social skills and reduce the risk of behavioral problems. Lastly, the Alliance for Student Activities has proven that extracurriculars increase GPAs, test scores, graduation rates, and college acceptance rates. So, is it true that extracurriculars help students reach their full potential? Yes, look at those facts. Second, is it fair to all concerned? Is it fair to be involved in student activities? Well, why wouldn't it be? When students enter junior high and high school, each one of them has the option to join whatever club they want or try out for any sport they wish. There couldn't be a more fair playing field. Extracurriculars also span such broad interests, so no one is ever left out. For example, athletic students have the option to become involved in sports. Students interested in math can join the academic challenge team. Musically inclined teens can join the choir, while artistic students can join the anime club. The options are endless, but each one provides an equal opportunity for success, further proving that student activities are indeed fair. Next, will it build goodwill and better friendships? Yes, to both of them. The purpose of student activities may be to help them reach their full potential, but some of the fantastic byproducts of being involved are goodwill and better friendships. At my school, for example, we have the No Place for Hate Club, which is geared towards eliminating hate and promoting acceptance. We also have the Student Council, which works to create a positive atmosphere for both students and staff. Then there's the Key Club, whose members dedicate their time to helping the community. In addition to this benevolence, student activities also result in lasting friendships. When a student joins a club, they most likely do so because something sparked their interest. Therefore, all of the other students in that club share that same interest. This leads to people bonding and getting along because that club unites them under a common purpose. Joining a new club or a team also introduces students to an entire new group of people that they may have never been friends with if it weren't for that activity. Goodwill and better friendships may be byproducts of student activities, but such remarkable unintended outcomes only continue to prove the real value behind being involved. Lastly, is it beneficial to all concerned? Given the facts previously provided by the Alliance for Student Activities, extracurriculars unquestionably benefit students. They have more motivation, advanced academic performance, and increased potential. They learn how to use their interests to succeed in all aspects of life. They learn that hard work and dedication leads to rewarding results. These involved students, however, aren't the only ones who benefit. In many cases, the school as a whole will benefit because of the positive effects that clubs have. There will be better school spirit, a more positive atmosphere, and more students who are willing to learn. The more students that are involved in clubs, the lower the dropout rates and the higher the graduation rates. Going one step further, the community will also benefit. Many organizations complete service projects to improve the well-being of community members. Over time, this creates a strong bond between a school and its community, especially when teenagers are the ones making a difference. Essentially, there are no negative side effects of extracurriculars. The students benefit, the school benefits, and the community benefits. What better justification for the value of student activities? So, please, call me a nerd and an overachiever. In the end, I know that being involved is helping me get closer to the person I dream of being. All of my activities have taught me about service, leadership, dedication, time management, respect, responsibility, and confidence. These results shine through in my schoolwork as it does for every other involved student. For that reason, schools and states are making a poor decision when they choose to deprive students of that opportunity. Extracurriculars are indeed true, fair, goodwill building, friendship prospering, and beneficial to all concerned. I hope that someday everyone will recognize the value of extracurriculars so future goody two-shoes can succeed as a result of student activities. Thank you.